I've told this story often. If I'd been through what most of these businesses have been through, COVID and being broken into and having their stores ruined, I would have picked up, left, crawled under a rock, gone home. And out of the 278 businesses that we served in the Restore-Rebuild-Reimagine Fund, not a single one said anything other than, we're here, our community needs us, and we're not going anywhere.
We have made incredible progress. I looked a couple weeks ago at photos of the whole street 2 years ago and was completely blown away by how we've not just recovered what was there, but addressed serious issues around deferred maintenance, brought beauty and art and culture and highlighted it.